Servisslimline. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Today we have Phil as the cameraman. Hello, Phil.
Hello.
Hello. And we're going to be doing a quick review on another one of these that I bought, which is the Peephole Ring Door View Camera. These are brilliant because they go through the peephole. So let me show you the one that I've got. This is the one that we've had for about a year. They did bring it out a number of years ago, then discontinued it, and then through sort of like demand, they brought it back and they've improved it. So basically, when you want to change the battery, it'll tell you. You just pull the front off, release the battery like so, and then follow me around to here where I have another 2 batteries on permanent charge, and then I just take one out, swap it around, take the new battery, slide it in and put the cover, and that lasts for about, I'd say about 5-6 weeks at least, and that's on with permanent monitoring, permanent recording.
I never noticed it's got that as well.
Yeah, so you can cover up the peephole like that. So you can either look through it like that, no, off, or you can just have it as normal. Right, let's go back to the box. So as I've just shown you, I've already got one. You might be wondering, why do I need another one? Well, the reason is I don't have a camera facing out onto the back garden. So I was looking at various types of cameras that you can have for the back, and they're quite expensive, and I wanted to put it somewhere higher up, and then you've got to try and access it, or you can drill holes, and I thought, well, that's a faff. This was 50 quid, so I'm going to put one in the back door, not because I wanted to ring. I mean, I could teach the cats how to do it possibly, but I want to use it as an outdoor camera for the back. So let me just take the super seals off. This doesn't come with a battery, but that doesn't matter. So there we have the case that goes on the inside. Here we have the camera with the thing at the back, remove once indoor. So there we go, that's the one on the, oh yeah, moment. And that's what goes on the outside. We have, oh, there is a battery. Oh, I didn't think there was a battery, but there is a battery, so that's good. So I got 4 batteries, so I can swap them over. I'm sure this is a device only. I'm sure it didn't say anything about battery. I was looking for one of these the other day, and they were £119. And then when I got an email saying, oh, these are reduced now, and they were reduced to £49. So I got one for £49. So never pay the full price for it. Always wait to see when they're coming down in price, because they often do. That's it. So that's basically all you need. Alright, that goes through the door. You can get 2 different sizes, so make sure you measure your door first. Let's take a look inside.
If you've measured your door wrong and you're a plank, is there any way you can change that?
Well, what I mean is kind of like, it's for like thick doors. So you get a lot of leeway with how you can screw it in and out. So you'd have to really, really make a huge, massive mistake. So
what, like in inches instead of centimetres, because people could do that.
But I mean, like sort of like that a door, that a door. You know, there's quite a big leeway. Right, so we've got a sticker. So you have to put a sticker up by law saying that you're recording. Safety information, and start with the Ring app. Blah blah blah. Charge up the battery. I won't need that because I'll just use one from the. And that's how you fit it through. It's very, very simple, but of course this is me doing it. So if you're renting a property, and it also comes with the screw thing as well, so you don't need any tools, you can just use that and keep it as a key ring then as well, which is quite good. I have one of my keys. So you take your old peephole out, poke this through, take that off, literally put that on, screw it in. So if I take that off, oh, that's already put this, the safety thing just came off. Yeah, don't tear that, just take the sticker off. Let me just put that back on for safety reasons. I can't get it on. No, stop it. Never mind. Blah blah blah. That goes through there. Screw it in. Fanny's your uncle. Uncle's your aunt. Fanny's your aunt, and then you're in. Right. So, where am I going to put it? Now, this is the problem. Follow me. This is the back door, and of course, there's a big, huge, massive pane of glass there. So I'm going to locate it here. So I know that's not ideal, but if you do happen to have glass, you can put it anywhere else and it'll still get a full view of the garden. So that is where I'm going to go. So the first thing I need to do is to measure up, and I need to drill a hole all the way through the door. Okay, so I've got a drill bit. I know it's a bit of an overkill, but it's the widest one I got, and I've got a vacuum. As I drill through, I can suck the bits up. So noisies for a second. So if you hold that.
Stinks.
I know, picking up dog hair all the time.
Jesus.
So, yeah, that fits through. Obviously, it's going to be on the other side, but yeah, that fits through. Right, I'm going to back up the bits from the other side.
Hang on. Wait.
It doesn't matter.
I was going to say just.
Oh yeah, the
the
hole.
bits. Yeah. Don't want fairy holes, do we?
No. Okay, so that piece goes in through there, like so. The camera goes in like so. So that's it, that's the camera there. Now we go through on the inside.
Don't need screwing at the bottom or anything, no?
No, take the sticker off. Oh, you know what I've done?
No.
There we go. Feed that
Ah, there's a
through.
wire in here. Okay, didn't know that. There's a wire.
And then that goes into...
Oh, it's got its own slot.
Hang on. That's your windy thing. So it can't get access from the other side. And I need to plug that in.
Looks really not fiddly at all, except it does.
There we go.
Oh, I see. Right, okay, I get it now.
So that's
Yeah.
plugged in, so the power goes through to the other side. Then I take my magic tool and tighten it up so it's tight. And I pop in the pre-charged battery and put the cover on. And we're done.
And then you get a wonky.
And then line it up. So there we go. Right, now I need to use the app.
That's not lined up. That's lined up.
And I'm going to connect it up. So back in a minute. Okay, so if you are setting up an additional Ring device, that took literally a few minutes and then it updated. It's all done, ready to go. So if I open the door, that's what it looks like on the other side. So yeah, so we look through the view that you see, and because it's kind of like fish-eyed, you get to see literally either side of there. Doesn't go above it, it goes above the dog gate so I can see clearly. And then when I'll just do it, the dogs will go crazy and ringing and chiming and everything. So it's a success. And then I will get notified when the battery runs low. I'll swap them both at the same time, and then just keep doing it that way. But yeah, it's really good. So now we've got security. It was £49. It was a heck of a lot cheaper than buying the mountable outdoor ones and then having to have the solar panels to charge it or climb up a ladder to change the battery or hang out the window. I did it just the cheaper way. So yeah, that's an idea. I drilled the hole through, but there you go. You can fill it in when I move. Right, okay, so we can shut the door. And there we go, we've got your peephole, keep that closed. Or if you want, you can have a little peep through if you can bend down and bend over. That's what she said. And there we go. Cheaper alternative to a back camera. So I hope you enjoyed. Really simple to put together and to install. So if you're renting a house, this is ideal. Just don't lose the original peephole. Okay, until next time, bye y'all.